Hey folks, Esther Diver 1. Today I just wanted to do a quick review and use of the Stanley FatMax 1800 amp jump starter battery booster. I bought this about a month ago at Walmart. They can be had for about $100 US. In the past I've had the Stanley FatMax 700 and the FatMax 1000, and those things are gigantic, like this. They weigh 14 pounds and 18 pounds respectively, and use a lead acid battery and last about 5 to 6 years, whereas this unit here weighs 1 pound, and you can see how small it is. This one uses the lithium-ion battery, I believe the 18650, which should be good for 8 to 10 years. It's a similar battery to, like, say you would have in your laptop or the older style Teslas. So everything you see here is what comes in the box. It has a USB-C type charger, so the small type, which was great for charging my camera battery also. The charging cables, or the jumper cables, are made with a nice powder coated on the metal clamps. These are all metal and very strong springs on them, so that's a good thing. It's set up that you can't screw up the polarity if you accidentally hook up the red to the black, etc. It won't start a fire or spark or anything like that. And this only goes in one way. It has very bright 3-way LED light, so that's low, high, and then I guess that's SOS. So I bought this about a month ago. I've used it once to charge up my lawnmower, to start my lawnmower, and today I'm going to go out and use it on my 2008 Chevy half-ton pickup truck, and that battery is 5-6 years old. It's on its last legs, and we'll get it boosted with that real quick. So the battery in this truck's it's probably 6 years old at least, and it started in 3 weeks. It's showing just under 12 volts there, 11.5 probably, and that'll actually start this up. But we're going to put the Stanley FatMax 1800 booster on it and see what happens. So yeah, that's showing 11.68 volts. So we're just going to plug in the jumper cables into the engine start port. So one end has a square end to it, so you can't screw up the cables putting them in. So we're going to hook up positive first. And then you'll see that green light that says ready to start. In the truck. And now it's showing over 12 volts. We'll disconnect our negative, disconnect our positive. The green light is off. All right, that's my review, overview, and use of the Stanley FatMax 1800. I mean, for 1 pound, and for the 3 or 4 times you may use it, it'll pay for itself. And the small size is an extra bonus. And again, the lithium-ion batteries should last 8 to 10 years. So I wish I had bought this before I bought the other 2 dinosaurs. Okay, folks, hope that helps out. Any questions, leave them below. Oh, and the last thing I want to mention is you just saw me jumpstart the truck with it. The battery wasn't dead in the truck, but it was pretty darn low. And the booster still has a full charge. So it doesn't need to be recharged every time you use it.